case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 1935 case of Commissioner v. Wilson, the United States Court of Appeals for the Fifth Circuit tackled the contentious issue of community property and separate property in Texas state property laws. The case involved two married men who were beneficiaries of a trust under matrimonial community laws in the 1920s. The Board of Tax Appeals initially taxed their incomes received from the trust as community incomes, but the commissioner argued that the incomes were separate property, particularly the portion that stemmed from oil and gas properties. Centered around lease rentals for deferred drilling on oil and gas properties and proceeds of royalty oil sold, the crux of the case explored whether the men received revenue directly from their property or through a trustee. The court also examined the nature and extent of community interest under Texas law and how to classify specific types of income from the oil and gas properties. Ultimately, the court ruled in favor of the commissioner's argument. The judge stated that the incomes received by the two men from the trust, under Texas matrimonial community laws, belonged to their respective communities. The court deemed delay rentals on oil and gas leases as rent, which were accordingly taxed, whereas royalties and bonus payments were considered separate property, with trustee outlays factored into the accounting. The case thus highlighted the complexities of Texas property laws and the fine line between community and separate property classifications.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.